This is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the quick and easy pair of earrings, the Santa Fe earrings. Now these are really fun and they feature these beautiful colorful zola element connectors here. So they have a nice little soldered ring at the bottom and at the top there. And what we're going to do in this video is we're going to be adding a little tassel and then finishing it off with an earring hook. So a very simple technique. So the only tools that you're going to need, I have 2 pairs of chain nose pliers, I have a regular chain nose plier and a bent chain nose plier, but of course you can always use 2 chain nose pliers if you want. Alright, so we are going to be starting by opening up one of our jump rings here. Now this is a 5mm 21 gauge jump ring. And what we're going to do is we're just going to give it a nice little gentle twist open. And what I want to do is I want to slide it onto the ring at the top of my tassel there. Now it's a tight fit, that's why we're using a 21 gauge jump ring, so just kind of wiggle it through so it'll sit right there for you. And then we're going to take this and we're going to attach it to the bottom loop of our zola element there. And come in with our chain nose pliers and just close that right up, making sure we get a nice flush close there. So that is the bottom portion. And now we're going to kind of do a similar technique of opening that jump ring. We're going to come to our earring hook here and we're just going to give it a nice little sort of gentle twist to open that up again. I'm going to slide on the top loop and I'm just going to be able to twist that closed just with my fingers there and make sure we are nice and straight and even. So that is how quick and easy and simple that is. I'll do it one more time for you. Again, these are 5mm 21 gauge jump rings here. So we have a nice thin gauge to work with. Slip it into the loop. Oh, that one was much easier, of our tassel. Slip it onto the bottom loop of the connector. Close that right up. And now I'm going to move to my earring hook. And again, just giving it a nice little sort of gentle twist. We don't want to bend it too much. Just enough to slip on our little element here. Right towards the top there. There we go, and I'll actually come in with my pliers here. It's the same technique, just closing that right up. So there you have it, the Santa Fe earrings. Super simple, really fun, and super quick and easy. So if you have a night out and you gotta have something fast, this is a great little technique. Just add a tassel to a nice little connector and you've got yourself a great pair of earrings. You can get all of these supplies and tools by heading over to beadaholique.com, and if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button below.